First, watch this story video.
Two families set off together for a peaceful countryside vacation. After a comfortable train journey, they reached a small village station and hired a van to take them to their rented house. But something was strange. The porter and the
I created this video using a story from a book, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create videos like this using one master prompt. I'll also show you how to generate images in bulk for story videos, so you don't have to waste time generating them one by one. So let's get started. But before we begin, one thing I want to make clear. Watch the entire video so you don't miss any important steps and everything stays clear. First, copy this master prompt. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, head over to ChatGPT, paste the master prompt, and press enter. ChatGPT will ask you to upload a picture of the story or paste the complete story text. I already have pictures of the story, so I'll simply upload them. Now ChatGPT will ask you to choose the video duration. Select the duration according to how long you want your video to be. You can also enter a custom duration if you want to create a video of any specific length. For this tutorial, I'm selecting 2 minutes. Now, there's one important step before you press enter. Enter your desired aspect ratio here. If you're making a short or a vertical video, enter 9:16. If you're making a long-form video in landscape format, enter 16:9. For this tutorial, I'm making a long-form video, so I'm entering 16:9. Now press enter. Scroll down a little, and you'll find the voiceover script for your video. Below that, you'll find all the scenes. For my 2-minute video, ChatGPT generated 8 scenes. Each scene includes an image prompt and a motion prompt. Now, copy the image prompt from scene 1. We'll generate the first image manually, so head over to Flow AI, paste the prompt here, select these settings for image generation, and click Generate. A few seconds later, our first image is ready. Now we'll generate the remaining scene images in bulk. For this, you'll find a bulk image generation prompt in the description. Open the prompt, and you'll see Insert All Scene Prompts here. Remove that text. Now type 1, then copy the image prompt from scene 2 and paste it here. Then type 2, copy the image prompt from scene 3 and paste it below. Continue doing the same for all the remaining scenes, adding each image prompt with its corresponding number. Once you've added all the image prompts, copy the entire prompt. Now go back to Flow AI, click on the Agent option, and open Settings. The first option will be set to Always by default, so change it to Never. Select Nano Banana Pro as the model. Since we selected 16:9 in ChatGPT, set the video ratio to 16:9 as well, then click Save. Then click on Agent Instructions, add a new instruction, and paste the prompt we just copied. Then click Done. Now go to the first image we generated earlier and select Add to Prompt. Once everything is ready, simply press Enter. And that's it. Flow AI will now generate all the remaining scene images in bulk, saving you a lot of time. Once all the images are generated, you can also use the motion prompts from each scene if you want to animate the images or turn them into videos. For this tutorial, I'm keeping it simple and creating the story video using static images. Now download all the generated images. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script. I'll be using 11 Labs for the voiceover. Choose any voice you like, paste the script, and generate the voiceover. Once your voiceover is ready, open your preferred video editing software and do some basic editing. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Also, let me know your tutorial ideas in the comments. I'll try my best to create tutorials based on your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.